In this video, the placement of toilet paper holders in bathrooms usually seems like an afterthought. However, depending on the setup of your bathroom, a freestanding toilet paper holder could be ideal. There are many products available to choose toilet paper holder, each with different characteristics, benefits, and price to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, wrote tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best toilet paper holder from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. I am always ready to keep you happy. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So let's go. Number 1. TomCare Toilet Paper Holder Upgraded Toilet. Toilet paper holder with shelf. It is equipped with a square shelf for extra storage of cell phones, small bottles, or reading materials, which can bring you a lot of conveniences. And the size of the shelf is 9x4, 9x1, 2. Freestanding design. Our toilet paper holder is a freestanding design, which has raised feet that can make the holder more stable and keep the toilet paper away from the bathroom floor, that ensuring the paper stays clean and dry. Wide application. The toilet paper stand can be moved to a reachable place next to you, suitable for any bathroom, kitchen, and living room. It is convenient for you to get paper. If you have any issues, please contact us via Amazon. We have a professional team to solve your problem. Stable construction. It is made of quality metal material, and the smooth powder coating can effectively prevent rust and thicken, which ensures years of use. And it is also lightweight and movable. It can be easily moved anywhere in the bathroom. Number 2. Storage Shelf Bathroom Accessories Storage. Vintage look, the classic appearance, solid steel wire, and the bronze paint improves the style of the entire toilet paper holder, more effectively improves the rust-proof function. Large capacity. This toilet paper stand are equipped with a toilet paper storage holder for 3 spare rolls and a dispenser for 1 roll. Never need to worry about running out of toilet paper. Wide application. The toilet paper stand can be moved to a reachable place next to you, suitable for any bathroom, kitchen, and living room. It is convenient for you to get paper. If you have any issue, please contact us via Amazon. We have a professional team to solve your problem. Easy to assemble, no installation tools required. It is detachable. Only need to connect the dispenser and roll storage holder, saving a lot of time and easy to store. Durable and freestanding. Our toilet paper holder is made of high-quality steel and is detachable. It is also lightweight and movable, which can be easily moved anywhere in the bathroom. Number 3. Toilet Paper Holder Stand. Toilet paper holder with shelf. The toilet paper stand is also equipped with a top shelf that adds extra storage space for cell phone or wipes. No more worrying about playing with your phone and having no place to put your phone. Toilet paper holder stand. We have upgraded the toilet paper holder in the original design. This toilet paper holder stand added extra space for extra 2 big paper towels. No more worrying about the embarrassing situation of running out of paper towels when going to the toilet. Warm tips. The dimension of toilet tissue holder body is about 23.8 high, diameter 6.7, and the bronze toilet paper holder is 5 when long. Perfectly in big, small bathroom, RV. If you have any issue about our toilet paper holder with storage, please contact us. We have a professional team to solve your problem. Stable and durable toilet paper holders. Our tissue holder for bathroom is made of hard metal, which is not easily deformed, and stainless. The round base ensures standing toilet paper holders strong stability, and you can place the spare roll inside the basket for further stability and balance. Freestanding toilet paper hold. Number 4. Natural marble toilet paper holder stand tissue. Strong, sturdy base. The weighted base ensures good stability and prevents tipping. The overall weight of this stand-up holder is about 4.4 pounds. Handcrafted. Unique marble base. KES Natural Marble features a wide variety of colors and patterns. Crafted of 100% solid marble. The uniqueness of each marble base gives the toilet roll holder a modern style and distinct character. Next, roll length 5. The marble base with a diameter of 7.9 and a thickness of 0.9. Overall height 20.6. Rustproof. Constructed from SUS 304 stainless steel, ensuring longevity and durability. Suitable for humid environments such as bathroom and kitchen. Screws are also made from stainless steel. Note: screw and washer are pre-installed. Freestanding mount type. Our roll holder is designed to be easily placed wherever you like in the bathroom, so you can keep the paper roll within reach. To install the toilet paper stand, You just need to fix the rod and the pedestal with a washer and screw. Note, screw and washer are pre-installed. Number 5. Tree Len Toilet Paper Roll Holder Stand Bathroom. Never be without toilet paper again. This toilet paper holder stand dispenses 1 toilet tissue paper and keeps 3 more. The tissue holder also equipped with a middle shelf that adds extra storage space to keep all your small items in one place. The classic toilet paper holder stand with shelf always equipped a shelf on the top. We upgrade and move the top shelf to the middle so you can get a better positioning for the dispense of toilet paper while organizing your phone or wipes. Result: no more bending when grip your toilet paper. 1 toilet paper holder stand. We will provide 45 days money back guarantee and 12 months warranty. If you have any issue, please contact us. We have a professional team to solve your problem. Purchase our freestanding toilet paper holders with worry-free. Our toilet roll holder has a flat base which ensures the toilet paper holder will not fall over easily. Load 3 more backup large extra rolls will make the holder more stable and balanced. Raised feet make toilet paper stays off floors so the paper keeps always dry and clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box. For any kind of problem, comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.